mouse is one of the most important input devices for a computer. So today we are going to open a mouse and show you what's inside it and how it actually works.
Okay, so today we are going to open a very important component, which is the mouse. These are the different screws. This is a screwdriver, and these are different sizes of the screws to be fit into it. So let us select the perfect one. This is a optical mouse, and the first screw we are trying to open it, and I think started to loosen up. And here it goes. So the first screw has come out. Bring out the front panel. This is the front panel, and this is the back panel with the circuit and all the chips and ICs. This is the place for the scrolling wheel, the back side for the wires. These are screw spots, the left and the right clicks. Now in the IC, the front panel fits perfectly over the back panel, and it clicks the clicking mechanism. Now looking into the circuit, this is the LED. It is red in color because red scatters the least. This is the scrolling wheel. Now we are trying to separate the circuit from the bottom panel. This is the mirror, or the light scatterer, also called optical lens sometimes. It is used to focus light on the different objects. The back circuit. This is the Z encoder on the left of the scrolling wheel. Just below the Z encoder we have the DSP. The DSP is a very important component as it sees the images which the camera captures, analyzes them, and sends the coordinates. This is the CMOS camera. It actually captures the images. The CMOS integrates all the circuits of the mouse. This is the center button. When we press the mouse wheel, actually this button gets pressed, which is right below the right click. This is the left click, connected to a clicking mechanism which sends signals. This is the right click. So basically these clicks are clocks in integrated circuits. When we press them, it gives a signal and the circuit gives an output. Now we are trying to put back the components of mouse into place. So first the mirror. Now we're putting the circuit back into the back panel. The mirror. Now the front panel. Now putting this last screw back into its place. So this was a very fun to learn project. This is a very nice concept, and we enjoyed thoroughly learning how a mouse works, which is an important component of computing. Oh yeah.